In front of me is OnePlus 15 and today I would like to show you how you can check a password in Passwords Manager. Start by opening Settings and scrolling to hit this section called Google. Now tap on All Services, scroll again and hit Autofill with Google here. Choose Google Password Manager. Tap on a password you wanna check and enter your current login method. Then choose this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!